Hey guys, if you were wondering, well, if you watch the other 11 tutorials with Python 3.0, then you might be wondering, well, sure we can run one line at a time in the idle, which is the Python GUI, but what if you want to make a full program, like, what if you want to make a program like Blender or Google Chrome or another web browser or something like that, or even a program like an operating system like Macintosh or Windows OS. Well, obviously you can't do it line by line. There isn't somebody typing every line whenever I want to do something. So how does it work? Well, the way that you make full programs is you go to the Python, you go to the idle, the Python shell, and then you go File, New Window. Now when you do that, you come up with this, and if you noticed, it's a little different than this window I'll show you here, because you can tell the difference between because you don't have these lines on top here. So you just have a blank canvas to write your code. So, for example, I'll write a code like we know with the for statement. So for I in range 100, print I. Okay, so now how do I run it? Well, you have to save it first. So you can either do Control S or Command S on the Mac, or you can do File, Save As. I'll just do Control S, so I'm on Windows. Then you're gonna save as whatever you'd like to call it, Python tutorial, for example, and you want to do .py. py is the ending for this program format. It's a Python file, or you can do .pyw and save it. And then when you want to run it, you go to run module. Now, if you saw my module and functions tutorial, you'll know that a module can include functions. But a module is really a name for a program like this in Python. So you're going to do run module. You can also hit F5. And it just ran it. So it printed out all of the numbers from 0 to 99. Because remember, it wouldn't include 100. So as you can probably see, instead of running each line by itself, we can write out a bunch of lines and then write them in one single program. So thanks for watching, guys. Remember to save your programs before you run them, or else you can't run them. See you next time, guys.